Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to make a Sinamay halo padded headband. It's a mouthful. So all you need is a piece of Sinamay cut on the bias, approximately 8 centimeters wide by about a meter, and fold that in half. This is how I do it. I fold that in half and then fold it about 1 centimeter in on both sides. Iron that, and then you're left with a lovely strip of Sinamay with no raw edges. Right, then I'm going to get the middle of that strip and just fold that in half like so. Then you're going to fold the middle at an angle like so. So you're left with sort of a triangle. Fold that one on top. And then you will keep crossing over. So that one over the top, that one over the top, and keep doing that. Got lots more tutorials of hats I've made, saucer hats, pillboxes, all sorts, how to stiffen felt. So please do take a look, and if you're interested to see more, please do subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. So you probably won't need all of the 1 meter strip, but let's just do it to the end, near enough. So we're going to stretch this out a little bit. Just need a little clip really. So it should look a little bit like this. Actually, I'm going to finish that off right to the end. And then I've got a little padded headband. You could also use a thin one, which I'm going to stitch the Sinamay onto. And then we're going to end it same sort of way and hide the raw edges. So I'm going to tuck that in there, so I'm going to cut that off. Tuck that in there, so no ugly raw edges are shown. That one will go underneath, like so. And then I'm going to stitch this on top of here. And I'll show you what it looks like on the model.